How to lose weight with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, in its unfiltered form, offers some health benefits. It's known to lower cholesterol, blood sugar, blood pressure, and many others. However, it is mostly used as a weight loss aid. If you want to learn how to lose weight with apple cider vinegar, this video will help you step by step to reach your goal. It is very important that you watch the entire video for all the steps, including how to make the recipes. What you'll need: 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon raw organic honey, 1 cup warm water. How to choose good apple cider vinegar. When buying apple cider vinegar for weight loss, look for the following: organic, processed from apples that were grown without pesticides exposure, also less likely made from genetically modified organisms. Raw, has not been filtered or chemically processed. Unpasteurized, contains the mother, which is the most nutritious component of the vinegar. This gives the vinegar a cloudy appearance. You'll know that vinegar has gone through high-temperature pasteurization when it appears clear. What you'll do: add the apple cider vinegar and honey to the warm water and stir to combine completely. Drink the mixture twice a day on an empty stomach, preferably 30 minutes before breakfast and dinner. Continue daily. Why it works? Many studies have already linked apple cider vinegar to a wide variety of health benefits. For weight loss specifically, it helps suppress the appetite. In a study published by the International Journal of Obesity in 2014, ingestion of vinegar-rich, short-chain fatty acids, such as apple cider vinegar, significantly helped in curbing the appetite of the participants. Another study by researchers at the Arizona State University showed similar results. Further, it was found that participants who ingested vinegar consumed 200 to 275 fewer calories throughout the day. The results of a study published by Bioscience, Biotechnology, and Biochemistry in 2009 serves as further proof of how ingestion of apple cider vinegar can aid in weight loss. In this study, spanning 12 weeks, 144 Japanese adults who are suffering from obesity were made to consume either 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, or a vinegar-tasting placebo daily. On average, those who consumed 1 tablespoon of vinegar daily lost 2.6 pounds, 0.7% body fat, and 0.5 inches around the waist, and 26% in triglycerides, a type of fat found in the blood. The group that consumed 2 tablespoons of vinegar a day enjoyed even better results. On the average, they lost 3.7 pounds, 0.9% body fat, 0.75 inches around the waist, and 26% triglycerides as well. In contrast, those who were made to take the vinegar-tasting placebo ended up gaining an average of 0.9 pounds at the end of 12 weeks. Their waists also measured to be slightly larger. How to lose weight with apple cider vinegar is incredibly easy. Simply taking it with water and honey will help curb your appetite, burn off fat, lose inches, and lower your cholesterol. Taken with a healthy diet and regular exercise, you should be able to shed your excess weight for good. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.